So, welcome friends. This is Aditya and today's day 9 and today talking about Power BI desktop and Power BI services. The difference between two concepts I will explain this video and today's day 9 of my speaking English and concept of data analytics. So, let's start the video. So friends, Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop means where we create dashboard, reports, charts and Power BI service where we publish our data, share with your team, access everywhere, we can access every time. So Power BI service is an online platform and Power BI desktop is an offline platform. We can use our PC or laptop. We can use Power BI desktop for creating simple dashboard report, but we cannot create without internet Power BI service. We cannot publish our data with others without internet. So friends, think like this. Desktop means create and service means manage and share. So for example, we have sales created a sales data and share with your team. In the uh, company, we can work with team based. In the company, there are team based atmosphere. We can uh, one work with your team like cricket. We can cricket play 11 player. This we can manage and we can share the over and sharing the hitting run. But in the company they are like this. We can share our work. We can work with our team so that we can uh, share our dashboard report on Power BI service to share with your team. This is company how use Power BI service and Power BI desktop for real time. So this for the day. This is day 9 and today is day 10. So see you on day 10. So thank you for watching and stay tuned up. Thank you.